Welcome to the Flowchart app. To add a chemistry log entry for any customer, you click the customer name and then the chemistry log tab. And then at the top here is where you add measurement entries and then dosages, and at the bottom you have the actual chemistry log. So for example, to enter a chlorine measurement, you can either type the value with your keyboard or you can click the shortcut here and click a preset value. You can also edit the preset values. For example, if you want to add a smaller dosage for chlorine, you would click Edit here at the bottom right-hand corner, and then you can enter new values in any of these fields. So for example, we'll add 0.1 gallons. And then you click Save. Now you have a new preset value. You click that, and it adds it to the dosage entry. And then you click Enter to save the entry. And then there's the new entry. There's also an option to link dosage items to invoice items. So when you add a dosage, so for example in this case a gallon of chlorine, it'll automatically add that gallon of chlorine to the next invoice. So to do that, you would click the Edit button here at the top. And then you would click the link field under chlorine, and then select a gallon of chlorine from the item database, and then click Save. So now it says link 1 gallon of chlorine at $8.50 a gallon. So for example, we'll enter a gallon of chlorine in the chemistry log, and then click Enter. And now if we go to the work order tab, we see a corresponding completed work order for a gallon of chlorine. If we add another gallon, and then go back to the work order tab, it adjusted the quantity. So now there's 2 gallons at $8.50 a gallon. And then the next time you process invoices, the program will automatically take the completed work orders and the monthly charges and generate the monthly invoice. Another option for the chemistry log is that you can make it visible on the customer invoices. For that, you click the Customer Info tab and then scroll down to where it says Enable Customer Web View for Logs. So for this particular customer, the chem readings are enabled, the chem dosages, and also service pictures and miscellaneous and repair pictures. All of these are visible on the invoice for this customer, and you can change this on a customer by customer basis. So for example, we'll go to one of the invoices for this customer by clicking the Invoice tab. And then we'll click the Invoice Web View link. So in the middle here is the option to view the picture log and then the chem log. If we click View Chem Log, it then loads the chemistry log. And this is updated in real time, so the minute you make a chemistry log entry, is visible on the invoice web view. Also, if you make any changes to invoices, it's updated in real time. So whenever the customer clicks the invoice link that you can either text to them or email to them, it takes them to the current view that reflects any changes. If you have any questions or would like to start using the Flowchart app, you can visit our website at flowchartpool.com. And if there's any topic that you would like to have covered in more detail, please let us know and we'd be happy to add another video tutorial.